Sorrento, see that? She's the tangerine. She was 101. When I see 101, I feel like, did they make this just for me? Aw.
I'm never forsaken, never alone. The God of heaven, call me his own.
Hi, my friends. I'm going to jump into this video pretty quickly because I have been super confused. Are you confused about this whole satchel, the whole satchel craze with Dooney and the sizes? There are so many different leather variances, so many different sizes that I am confused. I don't know what I'm doing. However, I just jumped in and I started with, and there's a video out there that I started with the fuchsia, and it's in the Sorrento print leather. And I'll post that video here. But today I'm going to do a comparison and kind of an unboxing at the same time. So the first satchel I purchased was this fuchsia baby, and my, when I opened her, I was pretty pleased with her. Now she's not the Florentine leather, and that is fine because I don't really need to worry about whether I'm going to carry her in weather that is terrible, like rain or snow or anything like that. So it is pretty durable. I chose this version of the satchel from Dooney is because it's going to be pretty trivial. The pockets. I love a bag with a pocket. So this one has a front and also a back pocket. The size of the satchel is a little smaller than my Speedy 30, but maybe a little bigger than my Lana 23. So she's a good in between, Coach Lana 23. She's a good in between size, and I was able to fit everything that I needed in here. Now, here's the other thing. I wasn't sure if I liked this in the beginning, but now I do know. I mean, I think they can do something a little different with it, but I understand why. So the zipper tape on this one does not end at the end of the leather here. It extends beyond. So you have this extra strip of zipper with the leather tab at the end on these Sorrento bags. And once you zip it, you just have to tuck it back in there. But what is the benefit of that? The benefit is that you have a wider opening than you would have for the Florentines and also the Penroses out there. The Penrose, from what I can see on the website, does not have this extended zipper on it. So if you're looking at this version, it will have the extended zipper, and it will have pockets. It's the one with Sorrento with pockets. And this one is stuffed right now, but the interior is a neutral linen material. It does come with a crossbody strap. I carried her top handle, and I also used the crossbody strap. So she is a yes. So once I decided that this one was great for me, I could not stop watching the other videos on the Florentines, but I didn't want to make the plunge until I knew what size. So because I said that this bag and the size worked for me, I wanted to find something around the same size, and I wasn't sure if I needed the regular or the mini. I think the regular is bigger than the mini. And I was going to take a trip to my local Dooney outlet shop, but they do not have the mini in stock. They only have the regular. So I still may take that shop. But I did go on Macari, so because whenever I'm confused, I'll just go ahead and buy a secondhand too, and save me a little dollars, and then I can try it out to see if I like it, and then if I want to get it in new and what size I want. So there's also conversations about the old versus new, that there's an older version that is newer, that was bigger than the large Florentine they have now. So I went on Macari and I found this beauty, which I absolutely love her. Everything that is said about the Florentine on this one is correct. This leather is beautiful. I love the red, and you can see the feet on the bottom of her. I do believe she is big for me. I mean, I like big bags, but she's a little bigger than I wanted, but I will definitely carry her. I am happy with her. She has the stitch on the handles, and the Sorrento does not have that whip stitch on the handles, not the Sorrento with pockets. There's another Sorrento that comes and goes, and it doesn't have pockets, but it does have the whip stitch. So, but it's not on the website now, from what I can see, as of today, whatever today is when you're watching this. So this is great. I don't know if there's like a gold stitching with this. The interior, this bag was actually in really good shape when I purchased her. She does have the green suede and then the red interior. And of course, the dust bag and all of that is in here as well. So I do like it, but I will not get another large. I'm saying that with confidence, but I don't think I would get another large because I do have large bags. It's not that I don't like this in large. I have the Coach Brooklyn, I mean, I'm sorry, Coach Empire bags, got those confused. And this to me reminds me about the size of the 40. I'm looking at it now. The 40 is bigger than this, but around that. So it would be in that category of bags for me. So, and I have enough of those that I don't need a large size bag. So, with that being said, I'm still kind of on a fence with what I want to get in the Florentine, but I am not confused about the Sorrento with pockets. So much not confused that when I saw another color pop up, I had to make the plunge. Here she is. This is the tangerine. This is the Sorrento with pockets. She is identical to the fuchsia that I have. Here's the little, just that back so you can see it a little bit. I'm going to read off. This is the Sorrento. See that? She's the tangerine. She was 101. When I see 101, I feel like, did they make this just for me? Aw. But it probably was a return. I don't know. It didn't look like a return. It looks, it's in pretty good shape. I inspected it pretty well. This is the BGLOB 2508. And she's in tangerine, and I am going to definitely put her in rotation. I have also picked up a couple of other items from Amazon. And, oh, I have to say this, with this purchase, guess what I got? I also received my first Dooney duck. So I was so excited to get this in the package that I knew that this bag was for me. Okay, that may not have been a real sign, but that's how I interpret it. So, yes, I got my first Dooney duck. I'm so excited about that. On Amazon, I went to purchase the tangerine bag charm that I would probably stuff my little AirPods in here when I carry it. It's a little deeper color than the tangerine on the bag. And then I also have this tangerine that I got from Amazon as well. And this one goes much better with the last. So I'll add those two to my bag. And I'm really excited about this. So, as with the fuchsia, this one also comes with a crossbody strap. I'm trying not to unwrap the handles so I can get to the strap. 1 minute. It's in here. Oh, I may have to do it. So let's I have my zipper. Oh, you guys, the strap is in here. I'm sure it is. I'm sure it is. Okay, I feel it. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's all of this stuffing in here. And okay, there we go. So here's the strap that goes along with the tangerine bag. And it has the leather on both sides, which is my preference. I love the double-sided straps, and you can see the width of the strap. I wanted to do something a little different, so I ordered this web strapping from Dooney that I will be pairing with this bag as well. So once I get everything together, I'm going to use this web strapping and also add some accessories to her. Oop, drop my mic a minute. And we're going to see what that looks like all together. This is the tangerine. Dooney has this in so many different colors, but they didn't have it in the fuchsia, so I could not get it in the fuchsia. So I picked it up in the tangerine. All right, so that's the three. I'm still on the fence about between the mini and the regular in the Florence.